Alright, today I want to talk about a Jacob's chuck. What is a Jacob chuck and what does it have to do with my lathe, and do I need one? The four examples in front of you are different size Jacob's chucks. These are all what they call a JT33, and this is a bigger one, a JT something 16, an RJ3 16L. But anyway, it's basically the apparatus that goes either in a drill press or a lathe to hold what is called a twist drill, not a drill bit, these are called twist drills. And in the lathe operation, it holds the twist drill solid and the wood spins around it, but in a drill press or a drill or a milling machine, it turns and moves up and down into the material. So I primarily use these for drilling any kind of holes into a piece of wood. Most specifically, this is a drill bit with a spur tip on it. It's a twist drill, and I call it a drill bit. Everybody in the world does. For drilling holes in pen blanks. And then this is called the key, or the chuck key, and it goes in to tighten up these fingers, because inside that Jacob's chuck there's 3 jaw fingers that get moved out, and that tightens up around the twist drill or the drill bit. So as you can see, once you do that, you get it tight and you can go over to the other side and really snug it if you want to. But that's how you use them. It's Morse 2 taper, and it just slides into the tailstock. And I'll show a video here in a second demoing me drilling out a pen blank on the lathe with this. Okay, so now to drill this, I've got my Jacob chuck set up, my 27/64 drill bit. I've got my wood in there, and I'm going to just drill this in nice and slow, back it out a little bit, drill it in nice and slow. There, and I could just hear it was done. We'll just pull that back out. So I hope that answers the question, what is a Jacob's chuck? Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, tell your wood turning buddies.